If your idea of camping is still neighbors and full hookups, well, this reel isn't for you. But stick around and be jealous because these off-road, off-grid, off-the-clock adventures are right here with the Class Bs. Let's check them out. Let's start off with the 2026 Thor Scope 18 MS. Laser focused on adventure and a little blurry on how you ever lived without it. MSRP is $147,149, savings of $67,158. Sale price at Great American RV, $79,991. This is your entry level. And look, all this stuff, entry level into off-grid camping right here. You want to hang up on the boss, leave them on red. This is the start to it. BM Pro system, inverter, air conditioning, refrigerator, cooktop, bathroom, everything you need right here, right now. Let's go. Next is the 2026 Integra Arc 18C. So small it practically parallel parks itself, but it's big enough to ghost your old apartment. MSRP $161,468, savings $76,477, sale price $84,991, only here at Great American RV. We're still on our Dodge gas chassis. Look, even the seats flip around for more seating space. Again, touchscreen panels, you have your video backup camera right here, generator, AC, refrigerator, sink, slightly different floor plan here, a little more open in that area. Still have your bathroom in the back, Coleman Mach AC. Next, moving to the big boy section because glamping should include actual dirt roads and no regrets. The 2026 Tiffin GH1 right here with MSRP $239,483, savings $89,492, sale price $149,991. You have a bed lift that drops down or stays up for maximum storage in the back. Lithionics battery system. You have your full hookups or onboard water storage right here. Have a mid-bath just like all the other ones right here. Everything all in one. They have stainless steel sink, refrigerator, tactical compartments for all of your stuff. We have the adventure bar right here for storage, whether it is for bar storage, for that nice stiff drink after a long hike, or whatever, you can store it. We have aqua system, all our fresh tank, inverter system. Like I said, lithionic battery system, solar, Mercedes, diesel engine on that Mercedes all-wheel drive chassis. Nice awning setup out here. This is for the road right here, baby. Let's push the Class B envelope a little bit, double down on Tiffin. This is the Open Trail 25 AO. MSRP $252,398, savings of $82,407, sale price of $169,991. This thing is built to handle bears, boulders, and your sudden urge to disappear, and do it in luxury, all right? So we have rear storage right here, full hookups if you want it, fill your tank, you got a filtration system with it, have diesel generator, Mercedes chassis, off-road tires. We have our auxiliary lights and everything we saw in there. Once again, luxury Mercedes chassis, just like our GH1. And our interior is extremely nice, hard surface countertops, inverter, solar system. We have our Xantrax inverter, generator, PowerFlex start. Have our sink right there, refrigerator, stainless steel microwave, dual beds, or we can convert that into one king bed, storage under here. Beautiful little bathroom right here, much bigger than our other options. This is the king of the road right here. So if concrete jungles aren't your thing, go explore the real jungle with a Class B from Great American RV. Come see us in person, 9 locations, or check out our inventory at greatamericanrv.com, where we're making memories one weekend at a time.